Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so this video, what I'm going to do, I know you people like to see the pens once they've actually been restored and given a little bit of TLC. And I thought I'd just show you some of the pens that are ready to go to new homes. These are pens that people have actually ordered, reserved, etc, etc. So we've got 6 pens to show you. Now the first one, it was shown here in my early pen haul video. There you go, you can see it's a little bit tired, it's got a couple of little issues, it just needs a bit of TLC. And after that TLC, here's that pen, and well, a pen set in question. It's a gorgeous Parker 61 consort cap set in gorgeous condition. And if we show you there, look at that, we've got a brand new section with brand new, well, everything brand new, as you can see there, with the inlaid nib for you. So it's all ready to go, it's all been cleaned, and what we've got is a fountain pen, we've got a gorgeous ballpoint and a pencil in gorgeous condition. So the gentleman saw this particular set. He said, can I reserve them subject to service? I said, of course you can as well. Not only that, but this particular gentleman, he also, when he actually saw this pen here, the mystery pen being reviewed, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. What we've got is the Yardled Viceroy in the plain solid silver ballpoint pen in an original Yardled box. Absolutely gorgeous, superb pen. Absolutely, well, I'm going to regret actually parting company with this particular one, but there we go. He also said, can I order this particular pen? And of course I said, yes you can. So both of these pens here are ready, well, they're actually ready for shipping, you know, a few days ago, but they're going to the Middle East. So what I've actually suggested to the customer is, well, we try and wait until maybe, you know, the problems over there get sorted, just in case they get lost in the post. So that's the first two. Now the second one, the gentleman, he saw, well, this particular one here. There we go. It was reviewed for you. And here it is again. So I'm not going to go too much into it. It's the Burnham 65. The gentleman, he actually saw it. He's a Burnham collector, I believe. And when he saw it, he got in touch. As I keep on saying to you people, if in doubt, get in touch. If you don't ask, you don't know. Like these people here were very lucky. They asked and they got. So this gentleman will have this gorgeous Burnham 65. Now, he also saw these, well, this particular one here. There we go. We've got a Parker Senior Dufold. And there you go. It's got the sort of the nib missing. And it comes, well, we've also got a blue one as well. So what he did, he ordered the burgundy one, and look at this now. After full service, full clean, there we go. We've got a lovely number 35 nib. If I can just show you there, Parker 14 karat number 35. So the 35 being the correct nib for the Parker Senior Dufold. This particular one has got a little bit of a barrel imprint somewhere. It says he. There we go. A little bit faint, but there you go. It's also got the date number 6, which dates this pen to around about 1956. And there you go, the sap protector, nice and clean. Now, when it came to me, it was rusted, it was dirty. I've had to clean this one. So as you can see, it's come up absolutely gorgeous. And it's fully working order and ready to go to this lucky customer across the pond. But there we have it. Look at that, in beautiful, beautiful condition. As I keep saying, the senior Dufolds, they make great everyday pens. They're solid, bulletproof pens, and very handsome, and a lovely large size as well. So that was the second customer. He ordered the Burnham and he ordered the senior Dufold, and both of these will be on, well, they'll be whizzing away across the pond over the next day or so. Okay, now last but not least, we had another gentleman who, well, I've just shown you the blue senior here. There you go again. And here you have it. He ordered the blue senior Dufold. And once again, look at the gorgeous condition of this one. Okay, there you go. We've got a number. In this particular case, we've got the number 35 nib with the number 8. So I'm dating it very well at the end of the life of the Dufold, which was around 1958. They stopped making them around about 1958, so this may have been one of the last ones. Once again, the sap protector needed to be cleaned. It was dirty, rusty, etc. You can see it's looking absolutely stunning. But once again, a very nice pen indeed. In this particular case, I've actually seen them before where there's no barrel imprint. I can't find any barrel imprint on this particular one. Maybe that's the reason why the date code is on the nib. I don't know. But either way, as you can see, it's in stunning condition and ready to go. So the blue Parker Dufold Senior. And this gentleman as well looked at another pen, this particular one here, and said, Steph, is that one available? I'm interested in it as well. So I said, yes, of course. And he decided to reserve this particular pen as well. Now this one is the Parker Senior Dufold. No, it's not. I tell a lie. This is the Parker Victory. And although it looks black, it's actually dark green. Okay. Now in the sort of before, if I just show you again, you may see sort of to the ends, there were actually sort of bad teeth marks to the end of the barrel and the cap. Now if you look now, I managed to get them out. There's no teeth marks at all. They're absolutely lovely. There's the barrel imprint, Parker Victory, made in England, etc, etc. This one is a button filler, as you can see there, and everything has been serviced and it's ready to go. It's got the two cap bands you can see there. It's got the Parker ball clip of the period. And when I say period, what this particular one, I would say around about the 1940s. I'm not 100% sure. Is this the Mark II or the Mark III? But you can see it's what they term as a slimline version. But all in all, a gorgeous pen. Let's take the cap off. If you look at the section there, you can see the section's black, so you can now see that the pen is dark green. We've got the correct Parker nib to it as well. Lovely clean feed underneath, as it should be, and once again in full working order. A very nice pen indeed, and once again I say with these particular pens, the Victories, they make great everyday writer pens because the build quality is absolutely second to none, and this will last, well, another 50 years. Some will enjoy it for many years to come. So there we have it. So this gentleman ordered the blue Senior. He ordered the green Parker Victory, as you can see there. Okay, and these will be going in the post to him quite soon. These will be going here in the UK. But as you can see, these pens, they do get purchased now and again. Okay, so we've got a gentleman that's purchased 2 here. We've got somebody's purchased 2 here. And we've got a gentleman that purchased these 2 here. So as I keep saying in all the videos, if there's anything of interest, just down below, you need to ask. If you don't ask, you don't know and you don't get. Look how lucky these 3 viewers are. When they receive these pens, I'm sure they're going to be more than pleased with them. So, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. Don't forget to subscribe. But for now, from these lovely pens, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and these lovely pens. Bye bye for now.